First, the three curved LED screens are one 500x1000mm EA1000H4 and two 500x500mm EA500H4. First, we fix the quick lock under the EA1000H4 to the 15 scale. Pull the EA500H4 over and lock it with the arc quick lock. Then we stack the second EA500H4 through the positioning column of the EA500H4 below, and lock the connection between the two EA500H4. Then we lock the arc quick lock of the second EA500H4 and EA1000H4 again. When we want to adjust the angle, we can loosen the arc lock, the lock can be active, and we can adjust the parameters of the arc.